Every can of corned beef begins long before it reaches your kitchen. Fresh or frozen beef arrives at the factory, carefully inspected for quality, safety, and temperature. Only the best cuts move forward, ensuring a consistent and safe product. Inside temperature-controlled thawing rooms, frozen beef slowly returns to the perfect workable state. Skilled cutters trim excess fat and portion the meat for processing, preparing every piece for the transformation ahead. Next comes the step that gives corned beef its signature flavor, curing. The meat is infused with a special brine made of salt, spices, and curing agents. Injection machines ensure even penetration, while rotating tumblers massage the meat, locking in taste, color, and texture. After curing, the beef enters massive industrial cookers where controlled heat tenderizes every fiber. Once cooked, the meat is shredded and blended into the rich, uniform texture that corned beef is known for. Now precision takes over. Automated filling machines portion the perfect amount of corned beef into every can. Each fill is weighed and measured, ensuring consistency across thousands of units every hour. With the cans filled, they move through the seaming line. Lids are hermetically sealed in a matter of seconds, creating an airtight barrier that protects the product from contamination. Sealed cans enter the retort, a giant pressurized cooker. Inside, precise heat and pressure sterilize the contents, eliminating any harmful microorganisms. This is the key step that makes canned corned beef safe, stable, and ready for global distribution. Fresh out of the retort, the cans are rapidly cooled to protect quality. Automated systems then inspect every can for dents, leaks, or imperfections. Only perfectly sealed cans move forward. Each can is labeled, coded, and boxed with accuracy. Lot numbers and expiration dates ensure full traceability. Robots stack pallet after pallet, ready for shipping across the country or across the world. In the final stage, samples from each batch are tested inside a skilled quality control lab. Once approved, the finished product is stored and dispatched. From farm to factory to your table, this is the journey of corned beef.